Hello everyone, welcome back to the Logging In channel. Today for this episode of Logging In, I will be showing you how you can download and install the PNC mobile banking app for the Apple device. Now for that, first of all, you need to go to the App Store of the iPhone. Then once you are at the home page, you tap on the search icon on the bottom right corner. Then on the search bar, you type in PNC Bank and tap on search. You will see the application on the very top. Now you tap get or tap on the download icon just beside. Then you can see the downloading process has begun. You can see the downloading process has completed and the application has been installed in your mobile device. Now here you will be able to open the application and get logged in into your account. This is how you can easily download and install the PNC mobile banking app for your Apple device. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging In channel and also don't forget to click on bell icon. Thank you.